You see that?
Yeah.
Would you hand me my hat? Yes, sir. I am a part-time magician. Would you like to see a magic trick?
Yeah.
My fucking arm. I should snap your neck for what you did. Jesus. It's covered in blood. It's like I killed someone. You see that? I know you're scared, but I'm not gonna hurt you anymore. What I said about snapping your neck, I was angry as all. And you did a number. I guess now we're even, because nothing bad is going to happen, honey. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna go get you a soda, and then hang it up. I know you're scared and you want to go home. I'll take you home soon. It's just that everything's all fucked up. I gotta be upstairs for a while. Something's come up. It's not the police.
Someone, no. Someone's coming. Hear me.
No, he won't. Not with the door shut. With the door shut, no one can hear anything down here. I soundproofed it myself. So shout if you like. You won't bother anyone.
You're the one who killed the others. And whoever's coming will see and ask why.
This face? Hang up the phone now. I was down here once when it rang. Ooh, creepiest damn thing. No. Well, I can't bring you anything to eat.
Upstairs, who'll see you bring me food?
Don't you worry about that.
If you weren't gonna feed me, why'd you even come down here?
Just to look at you. I just wanted to look at you. Okay. I made you some salt and pepper. Oh, eat it. Don't eat it. You're already down here. No, you're not sleeping. I usually don't. I find out eventually in the paper. They always print a nice big photo with all the details I could ever want. Well, oh, it's complicated. It's too complicated. Everything's different. Nothing's going right. I'm thinking about it. Well, tell me your name. Starting to like you, Finney. I almost let you go. And I will gut you like a pig right here in the street. And strangle you with your own intestines. Nighty-night, naughty boy.
No, don't worry about it. We can talk about this.
Look what you made me do. You made me kill my brother. He was an idiot. But he was my idiot. Put you with the others. Looks like you'll find those naughty boys after all. What's up with the phone, huh? I told you it doesn't work! I would use a knife. But you are special, Finney. I want this to really hurt. Samson!
Welcome to the nightmare end of your pathetic little life. It's the day, motherfucker. I can't kill you, hijo de puta. Arm is mint.